Asị nka ndị ọgụ afụrụ m ebe na-ekwu gbasara testimony Lovet nyere na ọbụlọrị antị ịma na Ebuka Obi prọfesarị ya before Lovet mgbe asị ka ndị ọgụ nke gaa nwa because ọ nwere nke e nyere na Zion na ntụ Ebuka Obi bụ ụzọ prọfesarị ya abatụgụnwa ihe ọma emere gị ga-abịakwanye testimony gị na Zion nyekwa ya na Facebook ụwa niile afọ nsị ka ndị ọgụ Jpac nke anwa ọ bụ real.
Yes, remember na Zion nye testimony another handle microphone.
Ịdala na Zion mana ị nọ na Facebook ị nọ na page gị nye the testimonial show kwa anyị ụbọchị ọ prọfesiziri ya before ihe ọma nwe mere gị nsị gị ka ndị ọgụ nke anwa ọ bụ real.
I cannot speak what is not real.
So nke ga anwa bụ real nke anwa Ebuka Obi. Yeah, I'm hearing you. So that one Ebuka Obi prophesied at that time. Nke anwa bụ real.
I cannot speak what is not real. That is what I told you. And what I said about Lovet, I did not listen to me. Imagine you ask me about Lovet. Now Lovet, my first video, if you can remember, now Lovet is trend there. Lovet came to trend. I did never told you before that na Lovet trend there. And if you watch well, starting from 2023, 2024 to 2025, she came there with faith. One of you say na Ebuka Obi here, trend there. And the Jerome said testimony was real. Why? Because I wanted to travel to Christmas, and more
I want to drop this testimony here because now I've been wanted to drop this testimony na ministry, but crowd do too much. And name and Zion had the name of I strive and I even call Zion say I don't want testimony, but crowd do too much. So let me use this my social media handle to drop this wonderful testimony. Testimony goes like this because go and verify. Go and verify. This testimony goes like this. You know, I was once fighting evangelist Ebuka Obi and Osike. It's what the Igbo karaka nebu amuma they confirm. It's I'm just like Saul. Message naked, but I can open turn to Paul the apostle. I know some people will not understand, some people will not believe, but I know send, then insult on me is none of my business. The most important thing is that God in heaven touched me. This testimony last year December, okay, yes, November ending by the first week of December, and on open heaven. For those of you who follow Zion Prime Minister in open heaven, and on the open heaven one certain night, evangelist Ebuka Obi that time when I be encounter, I be encounter yes omaham often knows omarom one that open heaven. He made mention of Chinedu, which is my name. There is a guy from Anambra State. His name is Chinedu. Okay, my celebration. Okay, one na December ending of December. Now I get win here one and I plan to go with my dad. I got Thanksgiving. Kush, my dad, I get a Thanksgiving on 31st December before Jabo Kabade. My dad got Thanksgiving. Okay, how much cool you know, it was with Pechikoro, my mom and my parents. Ebo Bibi. So apart from Chinedu, born and get Thanksgiving and get me here. You know, I was wondering, say, well, maybe I am not the only one as a Chinedu. Nobody care about Chinedu and Kim. But neither that an open heaven. Or back was sinner. Nobody I was saying hang or yeah. Now that guy was be very careful. na January. Kare mwe amu na January. Kare mwe hiba akwa na family na January. Kare mwe ihe gbata bia to le na January. You know, the thing be them say, well, I took that prophecy as they have just it's not me. After all, not me only me the answer chinedu. It's not about more. We bankete. We say, well, I the reason why I've been looking for that open heaven from because now I did not take it for anything. I didn't download it. Had even I know that this thing will happen, I would have downloaded that testimony. I just more check for the testimony. Sorry, the not testimony, the prophecy. I mean to say. But to God be the glory. Tomorrow I no buduku road no akwa. Echoro ala akwa. Ode wetaka on 13 nyemu talk na aro onwem. Hey. We say so all here about prophecy. Afa mo dey careful. I want to really thank God in heaven because you might not really believe this what I just said. You may say no arrange, say no corrugated lie or this and that. It's none of my business. As long as my heart is clean and my soul and body is pure. Here nothing but the truth. We're stitching again goes in again there merefa. Ekele nejama otito derege nebe kata sienu. Naha Jesus Christ. Amen.